What's up, SOI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, you guys. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification on so you get notified every time I post. With that being said, SOI fam, the next clip is gonna be a clip of Jarrell calendar for the year of 2024, you guys. In this clip I do show his Instagram and his website. So you guys, if you guys like this calendar, I didn't show y'all everything in the calendar, but if you guys like this calendar and y'all will like to purchase it, or you know, maybe find out more information about it, these are every month is from events and pictures he's captured in 2023. So he decided to make a calendar. Again, you guys, support your friends first and foremost. Always support your friends. So I got the calendar from him, and I didn't get to record it before I took it and set it on my desk because, you know, why not? It's some beautiful pictures, beautiful cars, and you know, it's just you seeing how Jarrell captures different cars through his eyes. With that being said, you guys, his YouTube, he do have a YouTube channel now. His YouTube channel is Cruising Through Life on YouTube, so look him up on YouTube at Cruising Through Life. His Instagram is Jarrell.Roulette, I believe. But again, in the clip, it'll show y'all the website, his Instagram, and you know, like the first couple of pages of the calendar. It is a 12-month calendar for 2024, you guys. Again, if you're interested in purchasing one, you know, hit up the website or get in contact with him via Instagram. With that being said, you guys, also subscribe to his YouTube channel. But yeah, let's get into the video. Yeah. What's up, SOI fam? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, guys. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification on so y'all get notified every time I post. With that being said, you guys, this is just going to be a nighttime view of the cockpit of a 2015 Infiniti Q60. Yes, the G37s pretty much look like this. I have lights in here, but this just is a nighttime footage of me on the interstate, basically driving and stuff. So you got your glaze clusters that slide up, you guys. I actually want the Tesla screen that will replace this right here. To be honest, I wish that I you know, got like the interior lights that go around here. So yeah, I'm about to set cruise control real quick. Yeah, let's set cruise control at 70. As y'all can see, I have 119,163 miles on the car. You have a full tank of gas. But yeah, this is just the a nighttime view of me driving the car on the interstate. I was in nighttime POV, but I don't be like downshifting or anything really. I just, on the interstate, I just be cruising. I like to set cruise control, honestly. So yeah, but I'm just giving y'all a little something of the spectrum right here, you know what I'm saying? So yeah, you know, I pretty much, if I turn my lights off, it's pretty much dark in here. So right now we are rocking with the green, you know what I'm saying, for a prosperous 2024 year. And I hope that everybody goals and every aspirations in life that they want to accomplish, that they complete. So yeah, we're rocking green right now. But let me know if y'all think I should do some ambient lighting in the dash part. You know what I'm saying? Let me know if I should do that. Yeah. So just a nighttime view of the car. I'll probably talk to y'all for a little bit. So yeah, basically give y'all some nighttime footage. Basically give y'all some nighttime footage of the car. So yeah. In 2024, so let's just have a conversation. That's all I can. So going forward in 2024, what are some goals and aspirations that you may have in life? I want you to write it down, and you can comment it in the comments and stuff like that. But I want you to pen and pencil it on paper. Write it down. Write it out. Now I want you to think about how are you going to get there for those goals? Like what goals and how you're going to get there. So I want you to write that on pen and paper. Or you can just, I guess it's going to be a brainstorming, thing. So yeah. Temps are good. Let's see. Nighttime POV. I'm going to tell y'all how I feel about traveling in the Infiniti, right? So I actually love traveling in this car. The only thing sometimes that I lack in this car is like the amount of space I have. Like I don't have a lot of space in this car. So like, certain like you really can't. I really don't have no trunk space like that. If I haven't seen, I think that's on one of my videos, 5 things I hate about my car or something. Yeah, I don't have a lot of trunk space, you guys. So yeah, that's that. Like I do not have a lot of trunk space at all. So yeah. Let's see. It rides comfortable. It is a smooth riding car. I love the platform that it rides on. And yeah. So the only thing, like, sometimes I wish I had something that was a little bit more higher and stuff. Like for this to be like, I guess a luxury, I guess you can call this like a mini version of a sports car or something like that. The seats are not bad. Like really, y'all, the seats are not bad, because y'all know in some like more sporty type cars, they have more like sturdy type seats, but these seats are not bad at all. So when you're traveling and stuff, the only thing I wish that in 2015, well, I don't even know if Apple CarPlay was out in 2015, but I wish you had Apple CarPlay and stuff like that. But I know it's stuff, aftermarket stuff that you can get, and my goal in the future is to get a Tesla screen. So yeah, I do want a Tesla screen. I think that would be the only other thing in the interior I want, except for like rewrapping like the trim pieces and stuff, or actually wrapping them, because that's spray painting them and stuff together. So check that video out when I updated my interior. But yeah, like I was saying, yeah, so basically it's not a bad car to travel in. It is comfortable. You don't have, if you're traveling alone, like it's probably perfect if you don't have a lot of people riding with you. But if you're traveling and you got like, you have one other person in the passenger seat, I think that's fine. But if you have like somebody that has to sit in the back, I think it may be uncomfortable after a while. So yeah, I think that aspect of it is going to be a little harder or whatnot. So yeah, limited on what you can do is fold down your back seat if you ever need to like put stuff in the back. But I feel like if you're just traveling a lot by yourself, it's pretty good. Long car rides and stuff, you got like a bolster support. So if you have like longer, like if you're much taller, you can extend the front of the seat. Like you can clamp it and extend the seat out. And the way my seat is set up, right? Well, the way my seat is set up in the car, nobody can really sit behind me. car for 5 years, and most of my miles on this car is highway miles. So I did a lot of traveling. I had this car when I was in college, so a lot of my miles are highway mileage on this car. I travel a lot in this car. So my things I don't like, I guess I don't like about now, is the technology aspect of it. I wish I had Apple CarPlay. Yeah, so I wish I had Apple CarPlay. So that's why I'm looking into the Tesla screen to go in here, and I think it just would lighten it up a little bit more. If I do not have my interior lights on, it's completely pitch black in here. So I wish you had it came with some ambient lighting or something in the dashboard or something like that, just to make it look a little nicer and stuff. So honestly, I may think about adding that actually in the car and just seeing seeing how it is. But yeah, I feel like the technology aspect of it, if you like to travel, it is a great car to travel in. It's a great platform to drive in. So yeah. So drop down in the comment section below if y'all have any questions that y'all want to ask about traveling within the car and stuff like that. I have taken about 4 hours. I think the furthest trip I've taken in the car. Cause y'all, if after a certain amount of time, I ain't driving no more. I'm just gonna fly. I'm gonna tell you that right now. I'm gonna fly. But the longest trip I think I took in the car was 5 hours. So it's not bad. Again, like I say, it's just certain stuff that you would like the seats are not bad. The gas mileage ain't bad, and on the highway, it's not bad. This is an all-wheel drive model. But yeah, I'm glad it got cruise control, because I literally just setting my speed on the interstate or the highway, whatever. I just set my speed to what I want to run, and as y'all can see, there's really no cars on the road this morning. It's early in the morning. It's 6:22, so it's early in the morning, so there's really no cars on the road. So I'm just cruising at 70. So yeah, I should turn my lights off and let y'all see how the car looks in the inside without the lights, just the dash panel and the freaking the radio, with the radio and the air, the heat and all that is that. So yeah, I should turn that off, let y'all see how that look inside the car. But I maybe add an ambient lighting in here, just to give it a different float. I'm not gonna look into that. But yeah, I definitely would say I wish it had Apple CarPlay. I wish that it had some type of ambient lighting, because again, in here it's very dark. So I'm actually about to show y'all that now. See, the lights are off. So this is basically how the car looks. I got LED bulbs inside of here, so they kind of have a little glow at night. But yeah, I would definitely say change all your interior lighting to LED, because if y'all look, y'all see how bright it is in here. It's really, really bright up in here, and I saw both of them on. But yeah, this is how it looks at night with just the with my interior lights off. So it is pretty dark in here. I like riding with the interior lights on, because it gives it some type of light. That way it's not completely dark. So yeah. So here's the nighttime here's a night POV of the interior / how it is to really travel in the car. If y'all have any questions or anything, or y'all want to know anything, drop down in the comment section below and say it. So make sure you guys make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notification on, and follow us on social media at SOI Customs. See y'all, share the video. Until next time, SOI fam, we are out.